Wiggle, wiggle.
Like.
Wiggle, wiggle.
What's up with it, guys? Power Studio 2015 here. Today I'm gonna have a little project going on. Not a little project, a little fit. I'm gonna glue these things together. It's gonna be 8 Sammy's best. But yeah, I pieced them together. I didn't get any like quick fix or nothing. So what I did, I had some firework bricks. I took one of the 100 packs off, and I kept the fuse, the quick fuse it has on them. Hopefully that works. If not, I don't care. I'll just light them one by one. Hopefully it looks like it's gonna work, but like I said, I don't care. That's fine. But yep, here it goes. Just I added some fuse at the end. So this is the fuse I'm using.